All right, number 19 and 20. Number 19. These questions are just not really indicative of AP questions, but we could still solve them. The three firms in a small city are responsible for emitting pollution, and the marginal benefit of the individual polluters is shown in the figure. If the city imposes a tax of $400 per ton of mercury, firm B will produce blank, while firm A will produce blank, and will produce more than firm C. Look, I think the short version, easiest way to do this is just to line this up. $400. So the idea is that you're now being charged $400 to pollute where you weren't being charged anything before, which that everyone is polluting 900 tons, right? But what ends up happening is when they suddenly charge $400 is the first question is firm B. It just means firm B is going to produce 300 tons, right? Because why? Because they're being charged anything more, they only get less, like $200 benefit here, but they're being charged $400. They just don't bother, so they produce till here. Firm A, meanwhile, produces right here 500. Firm C doesn't have. Firm C goes out of business. That's what ends up happening in this made-up scenario. So as a result, Firm A produces 500 tons more than Firm C, which produces 0 tons. The answer, just for the record, is C. 300 tons is how much Firm B produces, and Firm A produces 500 more tons than Firm C, which produces nothing.